Hi guys, it's Spence from ONYX Automotive, and today we have this M4 Competition that is in for front end extended PPF. What that means is that we're going to be applying paint protection film throughout the whole front end. That includes front bumper, wings, bonnet, bottom half of the door, bottom half of the rear quarter, and the skirts. So what this will do, this will protect the car from stone chips and scratches. It's a lot more convenient than going through a respray. Not only that, to further protect the car from salt and road rash, we're going to be applying Gion's ceramic coat throughout the whole of the vehicle, including the roof, and we're going to be using G-Technique's coat on the windows. We're also going to be applying the ceramic coat on the wheels and the brake calipers on all four corners, and we're going to show you this entire process right now. So the car is now complete. We've applied paint protection film across the whole of the front end and also the bottom half of the rear quarter, the skirts, and the bottom half of the doors as well. Not only that, we've also applied ceramic coating to the whole vehicle from Gion, G-Technique on the windows and the roof as well. Furthermore, we've also done the wheels and the calipers. Not only does our ceramic coat protect the car, it also enhances the gloss paintwork as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe with that notification bell on, and we'll see you guys soon.